Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to show you and explain a little bit about the settings area of the software. So if we log ourselves in and we go to settings and administration right here, this is the section I'm on about here, so software settings. So we click on that one and this will load up all the settings. Now you might have heard the phrase, there's an app for that. For us, there's a setting for that. There is over, on last count, there is over 1,000 different settings for the software. Some may be applicable to you, some may not. But obviously we try to categorize them the best we can in terms of all the different types of settings here. So obviously you've got everything to do with receipts, everything to do with appearance, and behaviors and stuff like that, but we do have a keyword search here. So what you can do, if you wanted to see all the settings that might influence, for example, invoices, you can type in invoices and it shows you everything regarding obviously invoices, whether it be a true or false command or anything like that. So for example, if I wanted to have a look at this, show signatures on invoices, mine's set to true. If I wanted to change that, I can literally just flip between the two there and go to false and go to true. You can also little plus area here, so if we click on that, there's normally a little description here that tells you about it as well, and the standard default as well. So there's always a default, it tells you what it is there, and then if enabled, it will draw a signature line for the customer to sign on. So it gives you a little bit of a description of what's going on in here. The standard value, database override and company override, that's on a separate video, so feel free to go and check that one out. But that's pretty much it. It's kind of like just to kind of show you exactly how this system works. So obviously if you want to do a reset the search on that one, and if we want to type in, for example, anything to do with a cart maybe, it's then popped up everything with the cart scenario there as well. So again, you can search for it via going through all this system here, but obviously sometimes it's far easier just to go through and go for the keyword search there. So if you want to see it from the caching up, it's there. Obviously we've got this section here as well, the users. So this is where you obviously sign up different users for the actual system. We can apply their passwords, their different account levels, or even limit them down on certain tills as well. In terms of obviously security as well, obviously make sure that most of your staff can't actually access the settings area. There's a few special tasks here that you can go through as well. A lot of these are advanced tasks, so I would recommend not touching these unless you've talked to us first. Same with the license details. Obviously basic store settings, a lot of that has been shown off already in a lot of previous videos. Further store settings, there will be an extra video on that one, and I believe there's already a video for the security as well. And store sync as well, that's also generally mainly for us as well, for Premier EPOS, for us to set up any of your multi-store stock or quantities and stuff like that. But my main focus was mainly just on this area here. So obviously feel free to have a little play around, see what each of these settings can do for you, see if it's something that you actually want to do. Have a little play around of it. Obviously if you've got any questions regarding them, then feel free, just contact support and we can obviously go through it all for you as well. Again, I hope this has been slightly useful. Appreciate it's not a very long video, but like I said, there's over 1,000 settings here, so I'll be here all week explaining them all to you. So like I said, any questions, just please feel free to contact support and we can help you out with that, no problem. There you go. I do hope that's been useful. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care. I'll check it out next time. See you now.